everyone, it's Hank Greer with Reliable Realty, bringing you an exclusive property that we are listing this week. This beautiful home behind me is a 6-bedroom, 4-bath, and it's stacking in at 4,100 square feet. We are right in the heart of Temecula, which is walking distance to great shops, restaurants. We have the movie theaters right across the street and so much more. This beautiful home behind me has a big sparkling pool in the backyard. It has a huge gazebo, and it is a 3-story home with the game room at the very top, which is just perfect for hanging out and spending time with the family. I can't wait to see your guys' comments below. Have fun watching the video, and we'll see you soon. Thank you so much.